Hello, I am Kristen Sanders and I will be discussing tablets in healthcare. Tablets can be used in several ways, but my main focus is the communication that can be handled between coworkers. Coworkers can communicate via email or video chat on the tablets. Projects can also be done more efficiently with the use of tablets. Tablets in healthcare is very essential because not only is it a good source of communication for coworkers, but also patients. Many patients now have tablets, so it's more easier for them to communicate with their physician, doctor, or nurse. What is a tablet? A tablet or tablet PC is a portable computer that uses a touch screen as its primary input device. Most tablets are slightly smaller and weigh less than the average laptop. Tablets are used as a source of communication in business, learning, and healthcare. Tablets provide a unique opportunity to create a truly portable learning experience, as it is lightweight with a long battery life. There are 3 operating systems for tablets: Google, Apple, and Microsoft. Google uses Android, Apple iOS, and Microsoft Windows. All are great products that are in detail with lots of unique apps. Some functional benefits of tablets. They can be directly touched on the screen, they weigh less than 1 pound, and the battery life is up to 10 hours. Tablet users are never more than a few taps away from writing an email, chatting on Skype, or searching the internet to get information for their next big project. Now that you have a better understanding of tablets and some of their many functions, I will now explain how tablets can be a great benefit to the VP of Sales in healthcare. Tablets can improve nurses' and physicians' knowledge. An application can be installed on the tablet that gives the nurses and doctors access to information about their patients. In one application, doctors and nurses can read and record patient medical results such as blood pressure on a tablet rather than on paper at a desktop or laptop computer in another location. Using the tablet reduces paperwork and administrative costs, drives more efficient and productivity, and accelerates doctors' and nurses' decision making. This will make them more efficient because information can be obtained easily and faster, which leads to happier patients. Market share in the CMO. Tablets are essential for the marketing research team. The marketing research team uses charts, tables, and graphs because they are all useful. They're used to determine the needs of patients. The research team can use the charts and tables and graphs as well on their tablet to fully explain things better and easier rather than drawing things out. An effective market campaign sets the motion of increasing sales, which leads to an increase in market share. So why not give every person a part of the research team a tablet so everything is understood and communicated more efficiently? Profitability. Increasing profitability using tablets. By using tablets, a record can be kept of disbursement, which will contribute to a better understanding of how to obtain better profits. The graphs will be used to break down expense information, keep track of return on investments. Tablets will be used to store information about projects, giving a breakdown of all the projects. So imagine a team of nurses and doctors are trying to get their point across to the CXO about their profitability. They would just use their tablets to show how their project will interact and work more efficiently.
Secure mobile computing is fast becoming the primary tool for proactively taking healthcare beyond the hospital to the people. This is accomplished by extending healthcare education and disease surveillance into as many communities as possible. Imagine a mobile healthcare provider who visits patients in crowded urban settings, remote village clinics, and even private homes. His primary tool is an Intel processor-based tablet with a 10-hour battery life that enables him to work all day without worry. He begins the day by logging into the tablet using 2-factor authentication and downloading his patient schedule. He then reviews training materials and educational videos to prepare for his visits. Using the built-in GPS, the care provider navigates to his first visit and pulls up a patient's records via voice commands and the touchscreen. If the tablet is not currently online, a recently synced version of the records is pulled up in offline mode from a securely encrypted Intel SSD within the tablet. The care provider then walks through an assessment questionnaire with the family and discovers the patient's daughter has had a cough for the last 2 months. He uses the tablet to show a video to the family about infectious disease and other concerns for childhood chronic cough. Educating patients to better care for themselves is a huge challenge in many regions, which makes it extremely valuable to have a powerful device that can store and display educational materials. After watching the video, the care provider consults the Clinical Decision Support app and determines a consultation is needed. He initiates a real-time video conference on the tablet to engage a remote clinician who discusses the daughter's condition with the patient's family and conducts a test using a pulse oximeter connected to the tablet. The results are transmitted to the remote clinician in real time, who prescribes medication to treat the cough and orders a chest X-ray. The care provider discusses the results with the family, documents the consultation in an electronic medical record using either voice or a touch keyboard, and sends the results to the patient's primary care physician. This is just one example of the difference Intel processor-based tablets can make when it comes to reinventing mobile healthcare delivery in countries with developing healthcare networks. While many of these tasks could potentially be performed on non-Intel processor-based devices, the extensive software compatibility, large form factor, superior security, and multitasking performance of an Intel processor-based tablet delivers a better experience for patients, care providers, and government health agencies. Patients receive a better experience when viewing and interacting with educational materials on the tablet's large touchscreen, while care providers are able to review information and enter data much faster thanks to the large screen, voice input, and support for external peripherals such as wireless keyboards and biometric measurement devices. And government agencies can better allocate resources thanks to offline data that is securely stored on the tablet and later synced to back-end services for analysis. Plus, Intel processor-based devices include powerful security technologies such as Intel Identity Protection Technology, Trusted Platform Module, and Intel Anti-Theft Technology. For example, if the mobile healthcare provider's tablet was lost or stolen, Intel Anti-Theft Technology can help him locate the missing device using GPS, remotely lock it down, wipe its data, and render it unusable, which not only protects the patient's personal information stored on the device, but also makes Intel processor-based devices less likely to be targeted by potential thieves. Visit us on the web to learn more about how Intel processor-based tablets can transform mobile healthcare delivery today.
Now that you have gotten a better understanding about tablets and how they increase sales in healthcare, let's talk about stockholder equality. The use of tablets can be used to conduct meetings. Tablets will be used to conduct meetings with other CXOs in hospital or other practices with relation. Imagine that a CXO is trying to get in touch with a CEO. They can use the portable tablets to get in touch with each other because they're much more reliable and easier to use. It's always good to be able to keep in touch with someone, and the tablet is the right source. In conclusion, for healthcare professionals, the tablet PC provides unmatched access to crucial information while on the go and the ability to naturally record and securely share patient information and ideas. The tablet PC enhances productivity while providing full